Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown, Neo and Vee fights. I did not come here for London girl, Neo says. Bbnaija Lockdown housemate Neo has made one of the most profound statements on the show for the week, when he said he did not come to the Bbnaija house because of a London girl. He made this statement moment after he got a fine for audio infringement, and his Betway wallet is to be updated accordingly as a punishment for that. Neo was before then loving up with his babe V, and suddenly Biggie called him out and announced that he has run foul of the house rule that does not permit talking when the microphone is switched off or not properly fixed. This statement might sound funny to V, but really it is not funny, and it is worth thinking about. This is because he was serious with all he said. He also added that he borrowed money to come to the show and would not be distracted. Neo added that he came to the show to win 30 million cash prize and not for love or relationship. The statement, "I did not come for a London girl," was for sure directed at V, who had lived a long time in London before returning to Nigeria and featuring on the show. Neo and V have been having issues for some days now, but they have been able to gather the storm. But with the way different statements are coming from the two of them at sensitive times, we need to pay more attention to the speed of their ship. Neo is not my boyfriend, V says. While V is advised to think about what Neo said about her after losing some Betway coins for audio infringement, it is good to remember that V also told Lilo days ago that Neo is not her boyfriend. V and Neo had issues when she complained that she has been moody but refused to open up to her about what was wrong. She had a one-on-one with Lilo and she told her that she would not want Neo to be distracted to her main reason for coming to the Bbnaija house. The London girl stressed if the two of them want to date, they have all the time in the world to do that after they get out of the Bbnaija Lockdown house. She told Lilo that she will not allow Neo to be a distraction for her mission in the house. She said, "Neo is not my boyfriend. I will not stress myself out for anybody. He is just immature." Wow. Do you think he's really immature because his babe thinks so? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.